So here we go. I'm using a size 10. I'm just gonna break it. Just break the bolts are free, and then I'll remove it from the ratchet and just use my hands. This should be 4 bolts. This should be the bottom one. There we go. And then the last one should be hidden. I don't see it. Let me feel it. See it? This one. Okay. Okay, they are loose. Okay, just taking those bolts out, then I'll remove the mass flow airflow sensor. I'm gonna clean out here. I'm just hoping that with what I've seen, again, I'm not a mechanic. I'm just an electronics technician by profession, but DIY is something that I enjoy. As you also see on the car, we had cleaned the engine. I love clean engines, but I couldn't reach there. So we're gonna clean it up before we put everything together. And sometime I'm gonna make sure that everything is sorted in terms of getting it to be squeaky clean. I love to see clean engines so that I can quickly tell if there is anything wrong. By the way, when I drove today back from work with the engine light on, the car performed okay. Everything was still fine, no limp mode. I could drive okay with no issues. So again, let's put our bolts somewhere safe. Something that we need to check, again, moment of truth. I don't know the condition of my throttle body. Oh my goodness. Look how dirty it is. Just look how dirty it is. That's my throttle body. That's bad. So right, hopefully we are onto something interesting. So I'm gonna take out throttle body like I've done. Okay, I'm just gonna push it to one side. I don't wanna unclaim all these electrical connections and the other pipes. I don't think it's necessary. We'll give it a shot. We can, you know, what do you suggest? We unclaim everything, clean it on the desk and put it back together?
I think that might work better.
Okay, cool. So we're gonna go for it, and then I'll come back and remove the the map sensor. I'll come and remove here. Also clean it with some electrical switch cleaner. I'm gonna show you as well the chemicals or the sprays that you are going to use to clean this. Hopefully, by cleaning out the throttle body and the mass airflow sensor or the map sensor, we're gonna have a successful DIY again today. Okay, so from the throttle body, there is a connector, electrical connector. So you just push on the top and on the bottom, and that should wiggle out. There we go. That takes it out, and it only goes one way. You can't reverse it. And then there are 2 pipes, this one and the bottom one, that I'm going to remove. And then we take it to our bench. We clean it from. Okay, so here we are. This is our throttle body.